Hey, what's up guys? Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. I'm glad you stopped by this video because I'm so excited to share you some amazing news that I just got 2 weeks ago. Now I'm going to share you also that good news and how I got there. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. That amazing news that I started the video is that I got my first listing officially. I'm so excited to share you guys the step-to-step process to how I got there. Let's go ahead and start. What I did, it took a few weeks beforehand where I cold call till I got a hold of my client. I got a hold of my client. Let me share you guys what I said. I said, ring ring. Hi, this is Ben with eXp Realty Group. I'm a real estate professional in the La Puente area. I'm updating homeowners about the market today. Are you aware of the market today? No. Okay, perfect. Let me share you that this market, a lot of homes are still low inventory, and there are a ton of buyers that are fully qualified that want to buy homes in this market. Have you considered selling your home? She said no. I went straight to the appointment. I said I would love the opportunity to interview for the job, and I made an appointment to go to her house, and I was so excited to get this appointment. And since I am my first one, I brought my mentor Hector Aguilar with me. He came with me and we both had a awesome appointment. Let me share you some tips before we went to the appointment. I got some information to make it a really good appointment. What I did, I asked her how much she owed on the house and how much she wants to make. With those information, I went over there to the appointment. We as a team, Hector Aguilar and I, showed her a net proceeds sheet showing her if we sell the house at this price, we will be able to net this proceed after all expenses. She was really excited, had a couple questions about what if she rent the house or sell the house. And at this point, I think we explained to her the benefits of selling and renting, which I just did yesterday, a really cool live video with Hector on that. So I'll go ahead and tag that right here for you to watch. But she still wanted to sell her house. And so we moved forward with scheduling another appointment because we had her take us around her house, show her all around the house, found out she had a permitted ADU. So we had to get a professional appraiser to get the value of that ADU. At the next meeting, she came to our office. We explained how much more value she can get for her house with the ADU. So she was really excited, right? And then we made an appointment for photography. This week, we did a photography session at her house. It was so fun. And we did also a live tour for her house too. And on top of that, we are really gonna make this marketing campaign for her off the chart. So I'm really excited to expose her house to as many people as possible. I'm really excited to help her do that and meet her goal that she wants. And also help her buy a house on the next one, which is right after we sell her house. So if you want more information, I'm gonna share with you every single step and detail about this listing opportunity. I want you to hit that subscribe button and share to anyone that can benefit from this video. I'm so glad to share this opportunity with you guys. If you guys are a seller and want to sell with me, I love that opportunity to serve you. And just contact me. All my contact information is down below in the description box. I hope this video encouraged you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Take care.